Welcome to the Learn with CJ Club YouTube channel. I've created this channel a little bit differently to a lot of other channels that focus on Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. in that I've tried to keep all the videos that I've produced less than 2 minutes. There will be some that will go over that, but the majority of them will be less than 2 minutes and even less than 1 minute in some cases. And the reason for that is I want to focus on specific issues that you might need to deal with. So some of the issues we look at is how do we actually go through and use shortcuts? How do we use functions in, say, things like Microsoft Excel or even Microsoft Word? How do we do certain things in Word? How do we do certain things in Access or PowerPoint? So we keep it very, very short so that you're not spending 2 or 3 hours trying to find that one little thing. We've also created a whole series of playlists for you. So for example, in Excel, we have playlists for shortcuts, we have playlists for functions, where you can go through and check those playlists and find the function that you want to know how to use, look it up and watch a quick video so that you can move on quickly. So that's the whole point of it. I've been working with Microsoft Office from the days of Microsoft Windows 3.1 where we didn't have a taskbar. Where we actually still had the old Windows. So I've got a lot of experience with it. I'm also a Microsoft Office Specialist Master Instructor. So I've been doing this for 30 years and I know that taking this approach will help you learn Microsoft Office and its functions a lot easier. So this is really a tool that you have in your toolkit to bring out when you're not really sure how to use this or how to do that. I'll go and look up Chris's channel and we quickly go through, look the video up and then go back to doing the work that you need to. So that's the whole point of this channel. If you do want to be part of it, I would encourage you to hit the subscribe button. We're going to be putting out thousands of videos. Literally, that's our goal, is to have a couple of thousand videos there to help you learn the various Microsoft Office applications and to be able to use it as quickly as possible. Also, if you like any of the videos, please make sure you hit the like button because we always like to know what you like, what you don't like, or leave a comment. But other than that, enjoy our channel and I really encourage you to stick around. Talk to you soon.